Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to share with you how to plant crocuses in a lawn. You can plant a crocus lawn in autumn and it'll flower in spring. The crocuses will come back every year, and over time they should naturalise, spreading by seed and giving you a beautiful floriferous spring lawn. The first thing to do is to choose your spot. An area of neglected lawn is best, where the grass doesn't grow vigorously. Underneath a deciduous tree is the ideal location. Choose an open, sunny position. Don't choose a lush, fertilised lawn. Your crocuses won't like the competition from the grass. In addition, you need to consider that while your crocus lawn will be a mass of colour in early spring, that'll be followed by an area of messy, uncut grass for several weeks. You need to be prepared for that. The best crocus to choose for naturalisation is Crocus thomasinianus. Having chosen your spot, you'll now need to peel back sods of grass and place your crocuses underneath. Cut an H shape in the lawn. You'll need to cut it to 3 times the depth of the crocus bulbs. Insert the spade sideways under the flaps. Now peel back your lawn. Place your bulbs in the exposed area, placing them with their flat base down and their pointy side facing up. Now carefully replace your flap of lawn. Firm it down at the sides, and if there are holes, use a little compost to plug the gaps. Water the area well. Next spring you should see lots of little purple flowers poking up through the lawn. They'll be a mass of colourful jewels. When they finish flowering, don't deadhead them, as this will stop them seeding around. The leaves will then yellow, and the lawn must be left uncut until the crocus leaves have faded completely. Finally, don't use weed killer, don't fertilise, and don't aerate this section of the lawn. May your crocuses bloom magnificently. Happy growing!